Are you doing the toffos, the Rolos, the jam tart? What?
Both.
Oh, you're going to do all of it. Okay, get that pastry rolled then.
You've got to do it straight, Jemimah. Jemimah, let me show you.
Nanny's just going to come and give her a hand.
Right, here, and you push down like that. Okay?
We might need a bigger rolling pin.
2 minutes, Jemimah.
I think we're going to get the bigger rolling pin just so it helps Jemimah out a little bit. Here we are.
Wait a minute, Evenly, because there's a lot of pastry there that to sort out.
Are we doing mine next?
That's it. All the way to the end. You've got to make sure you go all the way to the ends. Both. That's it. Let's turn it around. Stop. Turn it around. That's it.
Quite heavy.
It is, isn't it?
That pastry's got to go
When I last did a cake, it stuck all around it.
Yeah. What did you do wrong though? You didn't put enough flour in, did you, around the edge?
No. We didn't even put flour because we forgot. To remind them.
So that was your first mistake. So this day you're going to put, what are you going to put on the
Flour.
pan? And
Water.
you're going to grease it with, can you remember what you grease it with?
Butter.
Butter. Then you sprinkle some
Flour.
And why do you do that?
So it doesn't stick.
That's right, well done. There's the Mimey's flat one. Don't do that. Make sure just one last roll out, Mimes, and then we'll choose the filling.
Yes, I know. I've got to go and get them.
That's it. Well done.
All the way towards you.
So what have you decided to make first, Jemimah?
Jam tart.
And who are they for?
Joseph.
That's
What are you
right.
doing these for? So you've got to go into all the corners.
So why are you doing the butter again, Jemimah?
So it doesn't stick.
That's right.
Extra stick.
Makes you do
And the
all
flour's for not extra stick.
extra unstick.
Yeah. So it doesn't make sure that it doesn't actually just stick. No.
Bless you.
I've done baking at my old school.
Yeah, what did you bake at your old school? Can you remember?
Cookies.
Cookies.
Gingerbread man.
And were they yummy?
Yes.
Yeah.
Chocolate chip ones.
Wow.
You're leaving the
Put in tray number 2.
Can I do the flour?
Yep.
Just making sure.
If I give you a little bit of flour, and then you can pat it around across the tray. Hopefully that'll be enough and not too much. That's it. Do the bottom and then you do the sides. Well done.
Make sure you tap it.
Yep, and you've got to get all over the sides, so
You could actually just like do your own design for them, but I'm not. I'm losing some cheese.
tray number
2, 3.
3, well done.
They just said number 2.
Do you think Joseph will eat all of them, or do you think his granddad might want one?
I bet Joseph will eat all of them.
Yeah.
Because of course he won't let no one else.
No, because jam's his favourite, isn't it?
Yes, he always eats it. But he didn't eat it today because there was none. But
No, we got him some specially, didn't we?
Yeah.
And why? Where is he? Why isn't he helping
He
you?
went fishing for a surprise
Yeah.
after. We asked Grandad and Dad to go fishing with him so we could do a surprise.
Yeah. Well done.
Tray number 3 needs some flour. so good at dusting, aren't
Well, you're doing great. You got flour all over your chin.
I?
You're a proper little cook.
I licked it. Ah!
Don't worry, it can be cleaned out.
Some of it's not coming now.
Mummy will help you.
Oh, you paused it.
Is it all done? Let's have a look. Oh, just down here, there's no flour on the edge bit.
Can I just squeeze the button?
I think she turned your oven off. Whilst your thing's in. What's your sister making?
Cookies.
Cookies, that's
And then
right.
we'll be making a cake for all of us. Do you think that's done?
Oh, is that look done, everyone? Well done. That was the round one.
Right,
So,
put it in.
yeah.
Then you put it down, let it go slowly in. Like that.
Yes.
Then you use your finger, or you can use the end of this just to go round it so it goes into the edges. Okay.
Yep.
Jemimah, do you know why you take it all the way to the edge?
No.
So it doesn't
Stick.
well, it isn't that, so it's neat and it makes a proper jam tart. Then you get a sharp knife,
And cut it off.
cut the.
Oh, yeah, can I use this?
Yes, you can. No. I'll show you.
You can ask for assistance.
Yeah.
No.
So what we do is just to repair this bit here,
Cut some
we can just put a little bit on there. Okay, so that's all the same
But
now.
Jemimah, where's your jam? What jam are you using?
strawberry jam.
Yeah, that's it. You don't need any more on there. Right.
I know, but then turn my oven
I didn't even know there was anything in it. Right, so what you do? No. You lift it up and let it drop in. Right, and this side you let it drop in.
Well done.
I need to just get some of this for these parts. Ah! Ah! Not your oven. It's this one or this one?
What one? Do you want to try and use that one? Can you do it, or would you like some help?
So, Joe,
Can you just help her?
and that one. Wait a minute, because those holes down there are too big.
You missed a payment for Virgin.
Right.
You told me for big holes, I did big holes.
No, we don't do big holes, do we?
Is it my turn yet?
In a minute, it will be.
Hmm?
Let me look.
I made one of these at my school.
Did you?
Jasmine.
And how did you do it?
At my school, the same way. But we did it, but we had something else.
Oh, what did you add to yours?
Yeah, Rolos and jam. But
Oh.
I didn't eat it. They made a special one for me.
Oh, did they?
I did it at my school. Because they know, so I don't like jam. Now, when is it my turn? Like we're making a fan.
Got to tuck it in there. Got to stop there. Stop it there.
Jemimah, when you finish one thing, what should you do?
Cut it. No, put it in the oven and then cut it.
But what should you do with all the stuff that's out? What should you do?
Tidy up. I'm not doing
So you get rid of all your knives and spoons that you're not going to use again, don't you?
Well, yeah, but we have to. Are we going to do some new
I made a
things?
pin tart.
Are we going to do something new? Put flour and butter.
And what do you put on first, the flour or the butter?
Butter.
The butter, that's right.
That's my
Oh, I think Nanny's pinched your brush. That's enough, Jacob. You don't only need to call the dogs once. Remember, this is only a small one, so it can just go in the middle. So you don't need to butter the whole thing.
I'm going to just dab it. Now we're going to put on the flour. Oh. This part's the hard part because you have to, because these parts are little. But it's not hard for me. Might need some help. Oh.
I'll put this in the middle then.
Now we'll put this down right in the middle. How about that?
Yeah.
That's perfect. I'm going to give it to Nan now.